How's it everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm making a modern mailbox with a wide opening for large envelopes and packages. This mailbox will also protect my packages from the rain and keep them hidden from view. Let's go! First I'm gonna measure and cut all my wood. I'll leave a cut list in the description so you can reference that. This project mainly consists of 1x4s and 2x2s. I was doing this project during the cold Japanese winter, so I'm snugged up and gloved up like Bernie Sanders here. Full disclosure, the parcel opening does not have a door, nor does it have any other kind of cover. It mainly acts as a shelter against the rain and keeps it hidden from view, more of a deterrent. Porch pirates aren't something you need to worry about in Japan, but I think if you wanted to, you could easily add a door to this mailbox. I stained this mailbox with a natural stain at first, but didn't really like the aesthetics, so I restained it later on in the video. Now I'm gonna assemble the frame of the mailbox using 2x2s. To connect everything together, I'm using wood glue and 2-inch wood screws. Now I'm gonna attach the 1x4 slats onto the frame by using wood glue and brad nails. You can hear my heater in the background going nuts. I'm originally from Hawaii, so this cold ass weather is not something I'm used to. Even though Hawaii has perfectly warm weather every day, I do love that Japan has 4 seasons. If you have not visited Japan yet, I suggest you put it on your bucket list. It is literally life-changing, and for me it was. I live here now. Just be sure to be respectful of the people and the culture. It is unlike anywhere else in the world. I'm only attaching the slats on the front, back, and top of the mailbox. I wasn't sure which side was going to be my opening, so I left them open for now. Here I'm assembling a rack that this mailbox is going to be sitting on. I got this off of Amazon. This rack is going to go right over my air conditioning, which is also going to protect it from the sun while still letting the condenser push the hot air out. I can also remove this if we ever need to do maintenance on the air conditioning. I'm going to be using a Forstner Bit to drill out some holes for these magnets to sit in. These magnets are what's going to secure the mailbox onto the rack. Here I'm checking to make sure the magnet is flush with the mailbox. It's sticking out just a little bit, so I'll take it back out and keep drilling until it is flush. Secured all the magnets in place using hot glue, but if I had to do this part over again, I would probably use construction adhesive instead, just because it allows for a stronger bond. At this point I decided that the right side was going to be the opening, so now I'm going to close off the left side of this mailbox. Here I decided to restain the entire mailbox. I originally used a natural water-based stain. I didn't really like the look of it, so I went with an oil-based spruce stain. The stain was more of the look I was going for, so I'm absolutely happy with the way it turned out. Once that was cured, I reattached my mailbox, put my address plate on, and installed a solar light. My address is blurred out here, but if you're gonna send me money, I'll go ahead and give you that address. Just kidding, unless you're gonna do it. And there you have it, all done. The final measurement of the opening was 86 centimeters by 27 centimeters by 37 centimeters. So roughly 14.5 inches by 10.5 inches by 40 inches. I like the way it turned out. We order a lot from Amazon, so we needed a place for the delivery man to drop off the packages without worrying about the weather. As I mentioned, theft is not a big issue in our area, but it's nice to know that we do have a space to hide our packages. And that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you have not already. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you liked and didn't like about the project. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.